Tinky Town Kids, Rhyme City Playday. Tara and Nico arrive at the bright playground of Rhyme City. Their classmates wave from the sandbox with cheerful excitement. Tara runs ahead while Nico follows, both eager to join in. They propose a rhyme game to build a sandcastle together. Classmates join, clapping short beats to match the rhymes. Nico tops the tower as Tara smooths the walls with care. They shift to the swings, humming a bouncy Tinky Town chorus. Classmates keep rhythm, counting pushes to the beat together. Tara slows her swing and signals it's time for a group game. They gather in a circle and choose a rhyme for everyone to follow. Lines are acted out. Clap, step, twirl, everyone stays in rhythm. Tara and Nico lead a final pose, ending the rhyme in laughter.